Edo Governor Senator Monday Okpebholo don set up one 12-member committee wey go recover all government vehicles wey dey in private hands for the state. For the committee inauguration ceremony, the governor con give the Kelly Okungbowa-led committee 2 weeks to finish the work and make sure say all the government vehicles wey dey private hands go return back to the state government. Chairman of the committee, Kelly Okungbowa, con throw salute to the governor for the trust wey he put for the committee and con yarn say plenty number of vehicles wey the former administration use don disappear sake of say the people wey hold the vehicles no wan return am. Say that na why the governor decide to set up this committee to recover all government vehicles wey dey with private persons, and say the committee go make sure say dem recover the vehicles within the time wey the governor set. Kelly Okungbowa con still add say im be the chairman and im vice na former speaker of the Edo State House of Assembly, Right Honourable Victor Edoro, and say dem get committee members from all the 3 senatorial districts for Edo State and dem ready to carry out the work according to the law.
And it can interest you to know that a lot of vehicles are missing in this government house, even outside the government house, in all the agencies. So the governor deemed fit for him to inaugurate us today that we should go out and get those vehicles. And by the grace of God, with the caliber of people that you are seeing here, my humble self, I'm the head of the team. The former Speaker of Edo State House of Assembly, Right Honourable Victor Edoro, is the Vice Chairman of this committee, while Honourable Ekbesi is the Secretary. In all the senatorial districts, we have everybody to make sure we do the job for the state and for the government. And by the grace of God, we have 2 weeks mandate for us to do this operation. And we have gotten some information, and we know by the grace of God, we are going to do the job according to the law. And at the end of it all, the people of Edo State and the government will be happy.
Kelly Okungbowa con beg the public say if dem sabi anybody wey still hold government vehicles for their house, make dem report am so the committee go fit recover the vehicles for the Edo State government. E con call the number to call and social media portals to reach if you get any information about the matter.
I want to use this medium to appeal to the general public. Anybody who is aware where government vehicle is being kept outside the government house, they should inform us. Our phone numbers 081 101 65121. 081 101 65121. So please, you can also inform us via Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp with EBO STONE. You'll see us there.
Make una no forget say as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojisoli, TMC TV News.